How to fix WhatsApp app can't upload status error problem step-by-step detailed solution. Here's step-by-step solution, method 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a strong and stable internet connection. You can do this by trying to access other websites or apps on your device. If you are not able to connect to the internet, try restarting your router or modem, method 2. Restart your phone. This can often fix minor software glitches that may be causing the problem, method 3. Update the WhatsApp app. To do this, go to Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp. If there is any update, update it, method 4. Clear the WhatsApp app cache and data. If restarting the app doesn't work, you can try clearing the app cache and data. This will remove any temporary files that may be causing the error. To clear the app cache and data, long press on WhatsApp, click on App Info. Then click on Force Stop. Then go to Storage Cache. Click on Clear Cache. And click on Clear Storage, method 5. Reinstall the WhatsApp app. If you have tried all of the above steps and the error is still persisting, you can try reinstalling the WhatsApp app. This will remove the app completely and then install it again from the App Store. If you are still having trouble with the WhatsApp app, you can try contacting the WhatsApp support team for help. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to TechSor.